And Effective UI allowed me to run. So I did a lot of like executive workshops and brainstorming meetings and design meetings, and discovered that that little square whiteboards were the best way to get people's ideas out into a meeting room. And that's how mcSquares was born. We started in prototyping in 2013, 2014, really hit the market in 2016, and and been growing from there.
So why don't you give us an overview? If you were doing a pitch, right? If you were doing a VC pitch for mcSquares, can you give us that 3 to 4 minute speech, whatever that looks like, the elevator pitch?
Yeah. So essentially, the idea is this. So chalkboards, whiteboards have been around for centuries. And there's a reason why when people, if you're in a meeting or in a classroom, the real work gets done when you pick up the dry erase marker. Like that's when the ideas really come to life. Mm. And so we're building essentially the next generation of dry erase tools for those environments. We want to be a part of, we're not curing cancer. We're not launching rockets to Mars, but we're in the room when those things happen. And we want to make those brainstorming sessions, those learning environments a lot more collaborative. Mm. And so we're building tools around that. And then we have this kind of, I would call it an outlier product family, which we call stickies, which are that and something else. So stickies are essentially, I talked about it in Shark Tank, they're eco-friendly replacements for paper sticky notes. So they help with collaboration, but they're also good just to stick on your fridge to leave your loved one notes and label flower containers in your pantry, and put reminders for yourself on your monitors. It's kind of funny because I was, I went from a really cool job in working on feature production at Warner Brothers into, I was then a computer nerd for a while, but that became cool in my company at Effective. And then now I'm, people that know me from there are like, you're selling whiteboards? Like, what? How did that happen?
The Riderflex podcast features entrepreneurs, business executives, and the stories behind how they got there, as well as daily tips on career advice and job interviews. Our show can be heard just about anywhere these days, but you can visit riderflex.com and click on the podcast page to hear all the previous episodes and learn more about the recruiting and consulting services we provide. Contact us at the email address info@riderflex.com or 888-964-5876. Thanks so much for listening, and if you enjoy our show, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and like the episodes.